We made it to Taiwan. We got in last night really late. I can't even remember what time. But we pretty much just went to our hotel and then went to bed because we were very tired. It was kind of a long process to get through the airport. You gotta go through immigration and all that. But yeah, today we're just gonna roam around, see some sites that Keegan has bookmarked off of all his research because he's the trip planner. And that's it.
So we're staying in Taipei for a total of 4 days, with one of those days being a day trip out to Jioufen. And then after that, we leave for Hualien, which is on the east coast, where there's a big Taroko Gorge, which is apparently a beautiful site with a lot of cool motorbiking kind of areas. So that's gonna be our day trips and our time here in Taiwan. Total of 7 days, starting today. First things first, you gotta get a bubble tea when you come to Taiwan. Known for the bubble tea. Black Pearl. I don't know, but it was expensive. We'll see how it is. You love the roots.
Little piece of home. Canada.
So Katie used to work at a Roots back in Canada. So this is kind of like a little bit of bringing back home to her. The Roots fam. Do you love it?
Yeah, it's cool. It's just like everything's the exact same, which is cool.
Alright, so it's day 2 in Taipei. Today we're heading out to Jioufen, where it's kind of like a Kyoto style village feel. And it's known for a lot of like its similarities with anime, so it's popular with anime. We don't watch anime. But
it'll be nice just to see something different.
Yeah. So we're gonna take a bus the whole way there rather than going back to the main station and coming back here. We're just gonna take a straight bus from this area, and it should take about an hour and 10 minutes. So after waiting about half an hour for a bus, when the first one was full, frustrating, but we're on it now. It costs 90 Taiwanese dollars to get there and 90 to get back. You can also take the train, which maybe would have been a better option.
We're in no rush.
Yeah, that's true. Called green punch paste.
With red bean.
Not bad. The mushy.
Get a picture with me and my banana peel.
So we are currently at the high tea. Found a spot that's off the beaten track a little bit. And you'll see along the coast, you get a nice view, and then that's where this tea place is as well. It's a little expensive. It's gonna be 600 Taiwanese dollars, which works out to be like 25 bucks, but I mean, you gotta do it once.
We are at the Gold Museum. Currently trying to locate a bathroom.
So I think you can access the Teapot hike from here as well. We'll try to find that.
We hiked up to the little lookout point. It's like Yin something lookout. I forget the name of it. But you see like the bay, the Hudson's Bay.
Nice.
My favorite store.
Yeah.
Just a little segue.
You can see it's pretty cloudy outside. That's too bad. But either way.
Oh well.
Alright, welcome to day 3 in Taipei. We are heading today to Beitou.
Hot Springs.
Yeah. I don't think I said that right, but yeah. So we took the red line to get here. It took us like half an hour from where we were staying. Pretty quick. And a couple things to know is that you need to wear a bathing suit that does not have pockets if you're a guy. And I think for girls, I don't really know, maybe one piece. You have to wear a hairnet as well, so know that. Alright, so we finished up at the Thermal Valley. It was pretty cool. Got a little facial.
Steaming.
Yeah, steamed the face.
I wonder if that water's hot.
Try it, touch it.
It's warm. It's not burning hot. It's like, it's lukewarm. I need my shower to be hotter than that.
Because your showers are boiling.
Burning.
Yeah, peel the skin.
Burn.
Nice. So now we're gonna be heading back into town, probably catch the MRT again after getting some lunch. And we're heading to Taipei 101, giant tower.
Yeah, at the mall. Taipei 101.
Just finishing up at the Tower 101, Taipei 101. It was cool inside. You must go inside. Go to the very top.
Yeah, beautiful. Very nice mall.
Yeah. So now we're gonna walk home. It's about a 30-minute walk from Taipei 101. And that'll pretty much wrap up the day. We're gonna grab some dinner, and then chill out. Look, you can see it behind.
Peacing out.
Yeah.
Bananas are always perfect at 7-Eleven. Almost the perfect ripeness.
So we booked these train tickets on the first day we got here, just because I heard that they book up. So we did it right away. You could do it online and then credit card, or you can do it in person. Finally made it to our new hotel, and she's already asleep. Currently out in the boot.
Wandering around this abandoned, looks like an abandoned like theme park almost, but with no rides. It's weird.
But it's a cool walk. That's what we're gonna explore.
There's a lot of dowagers. A lot of like, they look stray, but they're all really fat.
Done for the day?
Yeah. Back to my comfy bed. And TLC was my fave show. Little couple. I missed them.
So we just went out to a vegetarian place for dinner. Had some pizza and calzone. You really liked it?
It was really good.
Yeah. So we're heading in early because tomorrow we're getting up to go whale watching. So we'll take you guys along with that. Doesn't seem to be raining yet.
Perfect fit. It's a good time.
So we're on the boat now. I don't know how long the drive is, but I know that it is. We have about an hour until an hour and a half, 2 hours till we go back. So hopefully we see some dolphins. Katie's having a great time. Why? pretty optimistic today.
Cool. Bus going to the gorge. We were originally going to take a bike and drive there, but it's just raining. And it says it's going to rain all afternoon. So I told Keegan that I don't think we should drive because it's not safe to drive in the rain.
Yeah, so instead, Katie's wearing her rain jacket on.
I mean, it's still going to be raining outside when we get there, so.
Either way, we're gonna go see it. Good looking gorge, Boo-Boo.
Yeah, it's a pretty big gorge. Going to get our helmets. So you have to wear a helmet in case a rock falls on you and crushes you.
Stop.
We saw the gorge, got nice and wet and cold, and now we're gonna head back. It was really nice though, like if it wasn't raining it would be a very pleasurable experience. Rain puts a damper on things.
Get some more dumplings.
Get some dim sum, because we're addicted and we just can't get enough.
Yeah. So, we found this really good dim sum place. It costs 100 NTD, which is like $4.40 Canadian for 20 dim sum. Just so good. Alright, so today we head back to Taipei. We're taking the Taroko rail back there. We took the Puyuma coming here. The Puyuma stays along the coast, whereas the Taroko goes throughout the mountains, I believe. Should be cool.